Hello, my name is Jeff Hayes, and this is my complaint against the OCCA people. Because after my court date on 5/18/2020, I found out that this is why my appeal was not overturned. These people did not do their job, because no judge will go against a judge in Oklahoma. And so, instead of doing what's right, they'll follow a judge that's doing something wrong. So, in this complaint, there's all of them, because every one of them signed off on the appeal. Every one of them signed off on every appeal I've had, which means, and I see now that I know that judges won't go against judges in Oklahoma, my right to a fair and impartial trial has been violated every step of the way. And my right to having the evidence examined, even the appeal process was violated, because judges don't go against judges. So I included this document in that complaint. And this, like I said, this is their own Oklahoma statute title, 21 Crimes and Punishments, and every statute of it, and I contain every evidence that the state said that they had, and I knew the whole time. I was like, I kept waiting for whatever this bullshit thing to end. And I knew that the appeal in any state that has a justice system, that the appeal, this case would be appealed. But not in Oklahoma, because judges don't go against judges. So when one judge does a criminal act, the others are guilty of aiding and abetting and violating your constitutional rights. I mean, they just don't care. Judges don't go against judges in Oklahoma. See, and that's how I figured out why my case wasn't appealed, because it was through the corruptness within the Oklahoma legal system of judges. It's an organization of judges committing crimes, which I guess you could say constitutes criminal organizations. It's organized crime is what it is. When you have an organization of people or persons committing crimes. That's organized crime. And it's in the Oklahoma legal system. And even though I showed them this and everything, nobody wants to say anything or do anything. So I pretty much put this in their own Oklahoma State Title 21 Crimes and Punishments, and these are why I'm posting these videos, because, you know, to let people know that this was actually posted, this was a complaint posted. I know that judges don't go against judges now, according to the 5/18/2020, what Wallace said. And even if they do something to his to the court, you know, thing, I know which cases to look now to find, and the patterns to find, where to tell investigators where to look for the evidence. And see, now my case is the perfect case that shows probable cause that they did not do their jobs. You know, it shows probable cause that they did not do their jobs at any point or step of the way. And this has bothered me, but I lived here for 15 years, and I didn't even know this bull crap was going on. But when Emily Redman and Mark Campbell decided to do me wrong and keep harassing me, it came to me. People were just like, all these people committing these criminal acts have made every video that I posted possible, showing their criminal acts and harassment against me. You know, in each and every video, it shows they're guilty of something or another, falsifying documents, and this here. This is the worst thing of all, organized crime in the legal system.